What's up, everybody? This is Deshayla, and in this video I am going to show you how to find USA dropshippers. Now, this is a question that a lot of people have. They want to know, how do you find USA dropshippers? How do you get quicker shipping on products? Well, that is what I'm going to show you in this video, and you want to stick around and watch the entire video because I have some major announcements. So let's get into the training. So one of the first websites is called banggood.com. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in Banggood, and then I'm going to hit enter, and we're going to go over to banggood.com. Now, Banggood is sort of like AliExpress. They have a lot of great items here, and some of the same items can be found here on AliExpress or here on Banggood that are on AliExpress. But what we want to do is we want to actually find US sellers on Banggood. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to click right here where it says US/EU warehouse, and we're going to click on US warehouse, and it's going to take us to their US website. Now, this is an entire website full of products that will be shipped from the United States to people in the United States or wherever you want them shipped to. So therefore, you're going to be able to get faster shipping time. So if I click on, let's say, this tent right here, and I look at this particular listing, I am able to see how long it's going to take for this product to reach my customer. So I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, it says it's in stock, and the processing time is 24 hours. So that means this product is going to be shipped out within 24 hours. No 3 days, no 4, 5, 6, 7 days like it is on AliExpress. 24 hours. Now, this is not the same for every product. Some products take 3 days to ship out. It's going to depend on the seller. I believe there are different types of sellers on here, just like AliExpress. But if you can look right here where it says the amount for shipping is going to be through FedEx Ground, and it's going to take 2 to 4 business days. So this website is pretty amazing. I use this website myself, and this is something that you definitely want to come and look at and see if you can find some products here to sell on your site and have them shipped directly from the US. So now the second website is, of course, AliExpress, but I'm going to show you something that a lot of people look over. Okay, so I'm going to exit this out, and I'm going to try and find, I'm going to give away a product right now. So the product is the diaper bag backpack. Okay, so this is a hot product. This has been hot for like over a year and a half now. So if you can't sell this product, I guess you really need help with your Facebook ads or Google, whatever you're using, because this is hot and it's been selling for over a year and a half. So here's something that a lot of people do not do. What they don't do is they don't look right here. After they searched in the product that they're looking for, that they found doing research either on Facebook or wherever, they do not come here and click on ship from and then click on United States. When you do this, you are only pulling up the sellers who are shipping from the United States. So that means you're going to get faster shipping time. All of the popular items, the majority of the popular items that you see on Facebook that are being sold by other dropshippers, they are being sold on AliExpress from US suppliers as well. That's all you have to do is come in, search it, and then click on ship from United States. And then here we go right here. We have one right here. We have, I don't think this is the same type, but here's a couple of other. They're all being shipped from the United States. If I click on this one, what looks like this is the cheapest. They have different designs and different styles, and I can just click on United States, or I click on United States, and then click on whatever style that I want, and there you go. Now this particular seller is charging shipping, but all you have to do is charge shipping yourself to make up for that. You don't have to charge $10, but you can charge half of that and then put the rest of that in your pricing so that you are making profit even if they are charging you shipping. And it says that the on-time delivery is 7 days. So it's as simple as that. You have one supplier here, Banggood, they have a US warehouse with tons and tons, thousands of US products. And then AliExpress also has sellers that ship from the United States. So those are two sources that you can use to be able to get your products shipped to your customer quicker. Now, time for the huge announcements. Now, the huge announcement number one is I'm going to be doing a special giveaway for the month of August. So from now on, I'm going to be doing daily uploads. So every single day, I'm going to be uploading videos that are full of value, teaching you different things like how to make money on eBay, Amazon, Shopify, affiliate marketing, just a lot of valuable videos that can help you make money online. So in order to be able to be qualified for this giveaway, you will have to be a subscriber, and you will have to watch every video and comment in every video in the comment section what you liked about that particular video. So what you liked best about that video and what you learned. So the prize is going to be 1 hour of one-on-one coaching with me. So the winner of this giveaway is going to be announced at the beginning of September, and the winner will be able to win one full 1 hour coaching session with me. And you will be able to ask me anything. We can go over how to set up your own store. We can go over affiliate marketing, whatever you need help with. We can go over that in your free one-on-one coaching session. Now, this is only going to be available for my subscribers, so you have to subscribe right now to get in on this giveaway. Second announcement is that my course is now on sale for 75% off. So for the next couple of days, this course that I have came out with is called Ecom Beast Academy. It teaches you how to create your own profitable dropshipping store using Google Shopping. So this is something that nobody is teaching. If you have not heard anything about Google Shopping, I encourage you to watch my video that I talk about how you should not be using Facebook ads anymore if you are a beginner. I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description. So that course is now 75% off. If you want to check that out, there's a link in the description, and you will be able to get 75% off for the next couple of days. So once you click on that link, you're actually going to be taken to a free, you're going to be taken to an opt-in. And then once you have opted in, you'll be taken to a 40-minute long free training video. And then after that, you'll be taken to the sales page. So go ahead and opt in to that free training. It's going to teach you how I came up with this shopping method and how I was able to generate as much as $6,900 in one day in sales from Google Shopping. So thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment what you liked best about this video below.